Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check your Windows edition and whether the app is 64-bit or 32-bit, because incompatible architecture blocks execution. Once done, inspect file properties and enable compatibility mode when appropriate. That often resolves legacy software issues. Next, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to grant needed permissions. If security software blocks the installer, temporarily disable antivirus or smart screen, but make sure to re-enable protection after testing. You now address the deeper causes, missing runtimes or corrupted libraries. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables and the correct NET runtime because many apps fail without them. Also update GPU drivers and DirectX when graphical errors occur, and run Windows Update to fetch component fixes. Once done, inspect system path and look for missing DLLs, use Dependency Walker or similar tools to identify failures. Finally, open Event Viewer to capture error codes, which guide the next targeted repair steps. You finish by performing a clean reinstall. Uninstall, delete leftover program folders and temp files, and remove related registry entries before installing again. If the app still fails, create a new local user and try there to rule out profile corruption. Once you've exhausted app-level fixes, run System File Checker and DISM to repair core Windows files, and consider restoring a recent system image. If all else fails, note the exact error and search for that code. One targeted fix usually solves it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.